This video is about those who are having issues on how to slant the zip bulge of their clothes, like taking it off. Hello viewers, and welcome to this tutorial on CuteLuks. I'm so glad to have you guys today in my tutorial. I'm going to be explaining what I have facing you. So if you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much. Try to give me a like, turn on your notification, and also subscribe please. And if you're also a passerby, please do like this video as well, because I'm sure this video is going to be very helpful in your back part of your clothes. So on my table I have the back part of my clothes. I've cut out the front side, which is my princess dart bustier, and it's going to be having a canoe neck. You can see the distance of the neck. So the front is just normal canoe neck, not as deep as this back, but I want the back to be very deep. So I've gotten my armhole, and this is the back part of my clothes. So for this video is about those who are having issues on how to slant the zip bulge of their clothes, like taking it off. I sometimes call it vomit. Like those of you who've heard me call it vomit before, it sounds very funny and kind of irritating, but when you see someone wearing some kind of clothes and it's bulging at the back, it can be very annoying. So you can see what I have here. For you to be able to achieve this, all you have to do is take out the depth of your neck from your shoulder points. I've taken the depth of my neck, and then I'll come down to the waistline of this part I have here and take 1 inch up. After taking my 1 inch up, I slant it carefully, not touching my sewing allowance. You can see the space of before my slant coming down to meet my zipper area. And then what I have here, after taking the depth of my neck and what I got coming down to this 1 inch, I'm going to divide it into two. You can see the mark point here. So now I've divided it into two. I'm going to take 1 inch inside because my zipper allowance is 1.5 inches. So if you're using 2 inches, all you have to do is take in 1 inch or 1.5 inches, because all you have to do is take off half. So I've taken my 1 inch inside, and then I'm going to slant from this point, making it look like a dart shape, meeting this point and then down to meet this point here. So when I take this off, I've taken off that excess that is going to bulge. While I'm going to pull back my zipper, I'm still going to work with my 1.5 inches around this point, so that will help me season any other excess that is going to come in. But at the line joining of my peplon or your straight gown, any excess that is going to come from the length, this part has taken off the length, and this part will take the one that is coming from the wide part of the round part of the body. So I'm sure this video is very helpful and so useful to those of us having issues with bulge at the back of our clothes. This is a peplon top, so I'm taking off my excess at the back of my zip, which is the bulgy area. So this is going to be very useful and helpful for you when you're having issues about your zip area. So give me a thumbs up, please turn on your notification and subscribe, and then I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye guys.